Gates open, they're up and racing. Outstanding draws for your lead, King of Natu. Pretil is running by the rail, then racing in fourth, no boundary, followed by Butcherer. Di ko akalain, El Bimbo is the early trailer. About to pass the last 900. Outstanding Pretil is by the rail. King of Natu joining the Mori outside and racing in fourth, no boundary. Butcherer, di ko akalain, El Bimbo still running at the tail of the field as they round to the last 600. Pretil, King of Natu almost has won, but now we have Pretil by 3/4 of a length lead. King of Natu in second. Outstanding remains in third, and the outside is no boundary as they turn for home. Pretil this time by about 3 lengths. King of Natu outstanding, moving up once again on the outside. No boundaries on the outside with the last 150 more to run. Pretil followed now by outstanding. No boundaries racing in third, and finally Pretil too classy for race number 6. Second, outstanding, no boundary, di ko akalain. Then comes El Bimbo. Number 7, King of Natu and Butcherer.